everyone, Regina with Manzon here, and this video is going to show you how to pin the Coldwell Banker Referral Network group, or really any group, to your Facebook shortcuts. So you can go to the group by searching it here. You can click on the group. You can go right here where it says more and pin to shortcuts. After you do that, on the left side of your screen, you will see it right on the side over here, Coldwell Banker Referral Network. Also, when you go to your home screen, you will see it in your shortcut section here. Another way to do it is you can, when you're here on your home screen, you can go to Edit Shortcuts and you can quickly search all the groups that you're a part of and just start pinning to top. It just makes it much easier to find groups that you're commonly going to on a daily basis or weekly basis. Hope this was helpful.